very good for hypertensive or diabetic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If today is your first time, this is Treasure. My name is Treasure. So guys, in today's video I want to prepare plantain fufu. So guys, this is my plantain. This is green plantain, the unripe plantain. I want to make plantain fufu. So please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like and share this video, and drop a sweet comment. So first I will wash my plantain. I wash it very well and peel it. After washing, I will peel it. You can as well make your plantain fufu with the bark without peeling Okay, so guys, I'm done peeling the plantain. So now we'll transfer to my blender and blend it. So guys, I'm done blending. Now I will transfer to my pots. on my fufu now. I'll keep turning like this until it gets ready. Okay guys, our plantain fufu is ready. It is ready. So hot. So guys, this is our plantain fufu. I'm going to eat this one immediately, so I don't need to wrap it. Ooh, yummy. Plantain fufu is very healthy. In case you don't know, it contains a lot of vitamins. It's very good for hypertensive or diabetic people. Someone that has diabetes or hypertension, please eat this and remain healthy. Wow. This is my dinner. I'll go get my soup. So guys, this is how to prepare plantain fufu. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Mwah. Soup. Now I'm going to enjoy my